Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I didn't do an intro, so I'm gonna hurry up and just put something together because I definitely want to share this footage with you. Me and James went and picked up a storage unit, shed, whatever you want to call it, and I did happen to record. I put the GoPro out there on time lapse to watch what we were doing, and I won't say any more. Let's just go to that clip and I'll show you what we did. So this is how far we got it so far. Just trying to keep the chains on it now. They keep slipping off. But now this is what we call redneck engineering. And it's raining on us. Even funner. it took a lot of sketchy, questionable decisions, but as you can see, it is on the trailer. And let me tell you, that was fun. So there you have it, safe and sound, made it home. As you can see in the video, it got a little sketchy, but I definitely told James the whole time, you feel uncomfortable or you see something not look right, just get away from it, because always safety first, guys. As sketchy as that was, safety was still in mind. We still made sure that we were out of harm's way, and yeah, it may not look like it, but we did. We were constantly checking on each other, making sure that we're good. So if you guys like this video, definitely give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.